We have made it to our Christmas destination. We are in Seacrest Beach, which is very close to Rosemary Beach, which is one of our favorite places in the whole world, on 30A in North Florida on the Panhandle. We got this really amazing little house. It's not that little, it's kind of big, but it's so gorgeous, so cozy. Yes, Vlogmas has kind of fallen by the wayside. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this tomorrow or if I'm gonna wait till after Christmas. I'm just gonna see how I feel, but I just got a little bit overwhelmed with posting every single day and trying to prepare for Christmas and going on this vacation and doing all this stuff. I thought enjoying the season, enjoying the Christmas season, enjoying family, and like getting all my work done was more important. But anyway, here we are. I'm gonna continue vlogging throughout this little Christmas trip. It is Christmas Eve's Eve, so it's the 23rd of December. Josh and I drove up here last night. We got in around 9:30 or 10, and then my mom and my brother Trent got in at like 2 a.m. or like 2:30, really late. So we all kind of slept in and had a really chilled morning, and now I think we're gonna go get some breakfast or brunch, I guess, since it's like 1 o'clock at this place called Black Bear Cafe, which is one of my favorite places here on 30A. Is the fridge talking to you?
It's giving me a tutorial video.
What? This fridge is super high tech. Like you can get hot water out of it and stuff.
Through the steps.
It's playing a YouTube video?
Look at this. I'm gonna make some tea right now. Press T, 3 minutes 45 seconds.
So it heats your water in the fridge and you can choose your temperature. So cool. All right, so I'm gonna show you around the house while everybody else is getting ready. I'm gonna start at the front door. It's really the back door because we enter through the garage, but here we are. A nice little sitting, waiting area here. And then the beaches of, oh, that's so cool. I actually didn't even notice this. The beaches of 30A, so Inlet Beach, Rosemary, Seacrest, Alleys, Watersound, Seagrove, Seaside, Watercolor, Grand. Very nice. So here you go. This is, you enter. There's a little bathroom here. And then to this way, there's the master bedroom with a king bed. Very nice. I think my grandparents will stay in this room. There I am. A very nice, big, beautiful bathroom. I love that everything's all white and fresh and clean looking. I'm definitely gonna have a bath while I'm here. I'm excited. And then coming this way, this is all on the first floor, by the way. And then the kitchen's already kind of exploded because we just brought a bunch of groceries and stuff and just put it on the counter, but we'll deal with that later. This is the kitchen. There's Josh making a coffee. What are you doing?
Just cleaning up.
Oh, cleaning the coffee machine. And then this is like a little dining area, and then a really sweet, cozy living room. And this couch is so flipping comfortable. We've been watching Modern Family this morning. And then if you go, oh, there's a laundry room. And then if you go upstairs, this is amazing, huge, like stand-up paddleboard canvas thing. It sounds like my mom's drying her hair, so it's gonna be loud. This is mine and Josh's bedroom where we slept last night. Super comfy bed. We've got a big mirror. And our little closet, I've already kind of unpacked. And also a nice little bathroom. Got all my things out here. I brought all my essentials. There's the shower. And lastly, we've got Mom's bedroom where she stayed last night.
Sorry,
very cute.
Messy.
No, it's fine.
I love it.
I haven't even seen this bathroom yet. This is the bunk bedroom where Trent has to stay. I can't believe you're still in bed. What's your problem?
I don't have to. I chose.
But how cute is that little no wake zone thing?
That's what I'm living right now.
That's what Trent's living right now.
No wake zone. No
And then-
camera zone.
This is the view from his room. And I really love this stand-up paddleboard person. Let's go downstairs. I'm a full-blown YouTuber, people. By the way, my mom picked these off of a tree on Lookout Mountain, these berries, and they're so beautiful. And then she put them in this really cute little peppermint bark tin. How cute is that? This candle is so strong, I can literally smell it from upstairs, which is pretty amazing. So, Apple Strudel by Milk House Candle Co. I think I got it at Home Goods, somewhere like that. What are you watching? Some car videos?
Shmee.
I applied for the car in April
I
2016.
applaud for the car. Look at these two with their matching sunglasses. Oh my god.
It looks better.
Your color palettes go together too very well. Very neutral.
Oh my god. Leave it alone, man.
we got a pizza place.
Oh no, here's the taco bar. Here's the taco.
Is it completely unopened?
That's awesome.
Yeah, seems
I
like
just found this in a
the
cart.
Supreme tiramisu.
That's really cool looking, actually.
Designer.
We got a free tiramisu.
It's
Trent
free
stole
in the
it out of a cart.
I didn't steal it.
I'm not eating that.
What?
I'll have some. We just got a ton of Christmas food and groceries and things at Publix, and I'm really excited about it. Someone abandoned their tiramisu. That's so
I can't
crazy.
believe they wrote tiramisu on the top.
I can't believe someone abandoned that beautiful piece of art. That actually looks like Supreme. We don't have a Christmas tree, so we just have this fake little like seagrass thing that was here. These are all the Christmas presents from me and Josh.
Look at this fun stuff.
Oh my gosh, it smells like Christmas! This is our version of a Christmas tree this year at the beach. Mom is the queen of foraging things and making them amazing.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, remember that wreath we made on VLOGMAS? The nature walk wreath?
Can't recall.
Would you look at that masterpiece? It's so pretty! And it smells Christmassy, that's the best part. We're just walking down to the beach to watch the sunset. It's pretty chilly though. I'm so excited. Wow! Oh my goodness, it's going down fast. We just watched the most amazing sunset. So good! I'm so happy. How cute my mom is. Beautiful, beautiful, killing it. What? Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. Look at my hair. This is amazing. Goodbye, beach. This is basically a Hallmark movie set. It's so amazing here. Ah, I love Rosemary Beach. Grandparents have arrived. My mama has had this recipe book since high school.
There it is.
Oh my gosh!
It's amazing.
What is it called?
Scotcheroos.
Scotcheroos cookies. How many times have you made those?
Oh, wait, no telling how many I made, but I guess I always just went to it, just always in the drawer, and always opened it up. And
You always had them. Baking fun and facts for teens.
recipe for senior 3.
Wow, you wrote that in high school?
Uh-huh.
And this is the cookbook I'm following.
Oh!
Got the holiday playing in the background. And we've got mom decorating this this beach seagrass tree. That's so cute. He's a Grinch, Mama. That's a good one.
She loves watching you and Josh put puzzles together.
Big old cookies are going in the oven. Oh my gosh, these are huge. Mom just whipped up a little dinner. This looks so amazing. These are the biggest cookies I've ever seen in my life. Cookies, milk, Christmas puzzle, and the holiday. I've never seen a cozier boy. He's not sleeping, he's hiding.
What about me?
He's pretty cozy too. We just watched The Family Stone and I did not like it.
loved it.
It's a no for me. It's just so twisted and I didn't find that any of the characters were very likable. Good morning, it's Christmas Eve. I just finished editing this vlog and I realized that I didn't end it, so I wanted to say goodbye. I know I fell off the wagon at the end of it, but I am proud that I actually got done 20 videos within the month. That's a whole lot more than I normally post. But yeah, it's Christmas Eve today and we're just gonna spend tons of family time and eat lots of good food and probably go for a long bike ride, maybe go for a run, go for a swim. I don't know yet. I'm so happy to be here in this little beach house, just enjoying family time and watching Christmas movies and baking. Yesterday was seriously so blissful and amazing. I'm so glad that I got to capture a little bit of it in this vlog. I just realized this is gonna be my last video of 2018. It's the end of Vlogmas, but there are tons more vlogs coming very soon in the new year. Vlogmas really just got me back on track with posting because before Vlogmas I hadn't posted in a couple months. Yeah, I feel like I really got back into the flow of things. There are going to be tons more vlogs coming in the new year. I'm really excited about it. What else can I say? Let's think. I've decided to take the week between Christmas and New Year, so starting on the 26th, Boxing Day, up until New Year's Day, to be completely off of social media, no Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Not that I ever go on Facebook, but I just want to be completely offline and just try to relax into the new year. I just want to give myself some space and time to think and plan for the new year, think about my goals and reflect on this year and just like have that space. I think it's gonna feel really weird, but it's gonna be really, really good for me. Thanks again so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and all of Vlogmas, and if you did, please give it a like. And if you want to see more of me in 2019, please hit the subscribe button and we can be friends. I always take forever to say goodbye to vlogs. I don't know why, it's so weird, but I'm signing off for 2018. I will see you in 2019.